Creating engaging content is to websites what food is to humans. A website is nothing without content. As the saying goes on the internet, content is king. At the heart of a WordPress website are posts, and they are one of the primary sources of content for your website. Creating posts will become an important part of your daily tasks that you do as an administrator, and once you master the simple art of creating posts, you'll be well on your way to populating your website with engaging and quality content. We will now look at the different parts of creating a post in more detail. To add a post, you have two options. You can click on the new icon next to the plus sign and then select post, or you could go to the first menu in the item in the sidebar, which is posts, and then click on add new. Either way, it will take you to the add new post screen where you can add a new post. As you'll be using this quite a lot, it's a good idea to familiarize yourselves with the different panels. First up, you have the post title area. The first thing that you need to do is give your post a title, and this is where you'll enter the title for your post. The post title is very important as your visitors will see your post title before seeing the content in your post. So make sure that you title your post appropriately. Beneath the post title, you have the post content area. The all important content of your post goes in the main body area here, and you can add text, audio, and video as part of your post. To make sure that your post is formatted properly, make sure to use paragraphs to split up your text. This will ensure that your text is not too crowded and the user is able to see a nice readable format of your text. You can use the toolbar to format your text further. The toolbar has all the formatting functions that you need, such as bold, italic, number list, bullet points, and alignment. This gives you a greater control over your format to present your text within the post. Note that you might see a toolbar similar to this when you first create a post. To get the expanded toolbar, you need to click on the toolbar toggle icon here, and you'll get an expanded toolbar menu. On the right hand side, you have several panels. You have the publish panel, and inside the publish panel, you have the save and preview buttons. You can use the save button to save a draft copy of your post, and the preview button lets you preview your post before you publish and make it live on the web. To publish your posts and make them live on the site, you will click on the publish button. You will no doubt be pressing this button many times as you create many posts for your website. When you successfully publish a post, a yellow message box will appear at the top of the page that confirms your post has been successfully published. Under the publish panel is the format panel. Here, you can specify a format for your post. We'll go through post formatting in detail later on in the course. If you scroll to the top of the screen and click on screen options, you'll see we have an additional set of options we can choose to toggle on and off. You can display the excerpt, send trackbacks, custom fields, discussion, slug and author, as well as the panels that are displayed by default. At the bottom of the screen options, you can also choose to expand the editor to match the window height. Let's now create a simple post to see how easy it is to create a post in WordPress. Remember, the first thing that you need to do is to add a title for your post. Once you've added the title, you will add the post in the main body area here. I've already created a post and copied that to the clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it in. Now I'm going to save a draft copy of this post. And as we said before, you get a message confirming that the post has been saved. When you publish, you get a similar message telling you that your post has been published and it's live on the front end. Now I'm going to click on preview to see how my post looks like. In the front end, I can see a preview of my post. In the bottom of the post, there is an area for readers to leave a comment. Creating new posts is as easy as you can get in WordPress. The key thing to remember here is that when you're working with WordPress, nothing is ever final. Anything you see on the screen can be edited, updated, deleted, and restored at any time. And you'll learn how to do all of that in the upcoming videos.